Hello everyone, if you like to watch podcasts, me and my friend, Albie at Crafting Bro Studios, now have a podcast on Spotify, link in the description. The guy you see in the white shirt in a blue lit up room is not homophobic, it's just the girls. Hello everyone, my name is Brandon Prime, and today I will be going on Omegle with a sonic screwdriver and seeing if people think if they know it's a sonic or if they think it's a vibrator or something else. Let's get straight into the video.
That's good.
You know what this is?
It looks familiar.
Sonic screwdriver from a show called Doctor Who.
What's this?
What's it look like?
I don't know.
Do you want to have a guess?
Sword?
What, sorry?
Sword or laser?
No, it's called a sonic screwdriver.
What is that?
What does it look like?
Is that a vibrator?
No, it's not a vibrator.
What's going on, Ronaldo?
I'm good. What's it look like?
I can't really see. It's like, it looks like something you put in your fucking butt, bro. I'm gonna be honest.
Everyone guesses it. Everyone keeps saying it's a vibrator.
It looks like something you put in your butt.
It does.
Bro.
It looks like a shiny butt plug.
Yeah,
It's not a gun. Hello there.
Yo, hey. You must be a YouTuber, right?
No, I'm sure.
You have to be.
No.
You are.
No. I blind you.
Never mind.
That's disgusting. Use your manners. You know what these are?
Vibrator.
It's not a fucking vibrator. Oh my god, this is brilliant.
That is a sonic screwdriver.
Yes.
Fuck, I wish it came. No, hold on. That is, hold on. The first one is Peter Capaldi's. That's Matt Smith's. The second one you showed me, that's, Jenna Cole, no, not,
Jody's.
Don't skip.
Okay, bro.
Where are you from? England?
Oh, what's up, England?
What is that?
What's it look like?
Vibrator.
What the I don't know, you shove that in your cock hole?
What, that? That with claws? That would fucking hurt.
I mean, it
Look.
looks perfectly just like it. You stick it in your cock hole.
Fucking hell.
Or does that go in your asshole?
Doesn't go in either.
Really? You funny as fuck.
Good. Is that a fucking teaser?
No, it's a sonic screwdriver.
Oh.
Ooh. Sorry, bro.
टॉर्च कर ले तू ऐसे कौन से हमें देखता है वो
We got second time.
Vibrator.
You with vibrator.
गाल में डाल ले वाइब्रेटर साले.
Hi, again.
I was the gay.
Yeah, I'm the gay person, motherfuckers.
Are you gay?
Yeah, I actually am gay, yes.
I respect that. Do you want my snap?
No, I don't even know you.
Nice Sonic. Oh, you've got a lot.
go with
How many times? How many times?
It's the Game Boy, yeah.
3.
Yes.
Excuse my mate, she's homophobic.
Don't really give a shit. She's obviously outdated with reality, so, you know.
Oh,
How the fuck am I out
Oh my god, what is it?
What does it look like?
I thought it was something you put up your ass.
What, a vibrator or like a dildo or something?
Yeah, exactly, because you know, vibrates when you hit it.
What?
What is that?
What's it look like to you?
Dildo? Cock. Dildo?
Is that a vibrator?
No.
This guy's got a vibrator.
Yes.
What the fuck is that?
What's it look like? What's it look like? It's not a taser.
Taser. It looks like a vibrator.
It's not.
You look this.
That looks more like the guy in the beanie.
Oh
Oh, hold up. Question for you.
yeah, go on.
Why does your friend hate gay people?
Because
Oh, for fuck.
Hey, delusional bitch! I got a question for you. Why don't you like gay people? Come on, tell me, bitch.
Like it's up the arse. Arsehole. That's just weird.
not all gay people do
Shit
anal.
on your dick.
Not all gay people do anal, Mia.
That is true. That is true.
Exactly.
Yeah, unless you're a faggot.
Well, yeah, I am a faggot. Damn right.
That's just disgusting.
Let me tell you something.
You have a shitty cock. Yeah, you probably have a shitty cock. It's got like yeast infection on it.
How would you know?
Because it goes up someone's ass. It's just logic.
You know, not every gay guy puts a cock up an ass. You know that, right? Where did you? I'm guessing your families are against gay people as well.
Yeah, pretty much.
No, that'll explain everything then.
Yeah, but just
The last time I was connected to you, you said that I said that you were out of touch with reality. Obviously, you need a good old fucking lesson and education.
oh, so gay.
Peekaboo!
Oh my god.
Hello, delusional bitches!
Oh, not him.
Oh, fuck you, bitch.
Dude, why are you wearing that in 2023?
Because I want to, and if you don't like it, go suck your mum.
Do you have a fucking, like, Great Britain themed chair and all?
Well, I originally didn't get it for the colours of the English flag. It was just coincidental.
Right.
I mainly got it cut for the colours of Optimus Prime.
Go away. What?
Other people have said you've been bitches on here, gay boy.
Me?
No, I'm just pissing you off. No, apparently there was 2 other girls. Apparently they called you a gay boy.
Yeah, yes, exactly.
Jesus Christ.
It's because of her. She's convinced them that I'm gay.
I feel bad for you, dude. Although there's nothing wrong with gay people apart from these 2 delusional bitches on the phone!
Exactly.
No one cares. You're literally gay.
Shut up, you delusional bitch. You're probably a fucking virgin knowing you. She sounds like a fucking spastic. Okay, that is some really rude talking. People literally thought it was a fucking vibrator. It was so fucking funny, to be honest. Anyways, this is Brandon Prime signing out saying, if you like this video, don't forget to click that subscribe button, hit that like button, and then turn on notifications if you want to stay notified to when I next upload. Stay primed, and see you later.